I am delighted to announce that the Ultimate Productivity Workshop is returning in September. Now, this workshop is a very special workshop. It's helped hundreds of people over the last 2 years to get in control of their calendar and their time, as well as being able to better manage their tasks. Now, the workshop is spread over 2 weekends. Now, in September, that's going to be the 12th and the 19th of September. And each session is round about 2 hours long. Now, it's done in the early evening. And what we're going to be doing in session number 1 is we're going to be looking at the connection between the calendar and your to-do list. I'm going to share with you some time-tested principles that have helped thousands of people over the last few years to get control of their time, their calendar, and to be able to bring their to-do list, their task manager, into a much more manageable level. Now, in session number 2, we're going to look at the all-important daily and weekly planning sessions. These are the glue that brings everything together and ensures that you're sticking to your plan so that you are dealing with emergencies. You have the flexibility to deal with other people's crises, but you're also getting your work done. And the final part is managing communications. That seems to be the bane of everybody's lives these days, with thousands of emails, hundreds of text messages coming in all day, every day, that never seems to stop. I'm going to share with you a strategy that has worked for well over 10 years for me, but also with all my coaching clients who've used it. They finally get in control of the messages and communications that are coming at them on a daily basis. It doesn't have to be a nightmare. It's simple, it's effective, and all you need is a little bit of consistency. So there you go. That's the Ultimate Productivity Workshop. It's a workshop that, as I mentioned, has helped hundreds of people over the last 2 years, and I'm teaching principles that have helped thousands of people get control of their time to become more productive and a lot more focused on the things that are truly important to them. I hope you can join me. The details for joining the workshop are in the notes below. Please take a look. I'm sure you will not be disappointed.